Hi everyone, it's me Juliana. Today I'm going to be opening this fidget toy here. It's called Pop It. So yeah, you can pop, look, pop, boop, and look, boop. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started opening this. Okay, we're going to do this. Ooh, it's easy to open. Oh, now it is. It's a flower. Look at this first Pop It I have in my life. I never have a Pop It before. I'm looking this all over the store. I go to Target, then I go Five Below, then I already find it. Like, it's kind of hard to find it in Five Below. Yeah, I almost not find it. Well, yeah. So yeah, look at this. Pop. Boop. Let's see. Boop. 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 Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. You can see. And then pop back. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. So that's all for today. It's also shaped like a flower. I hope you like this video here. It's a quick video. So bye!